So the question here is asking what index would 14 go to if you are using linear probing? And so it's very similar to the question before, with the same hash table as well. However, we are using a different method, which is linear probing. So what we know about linear probing is that it is hash x plus I modulo size. And hash x refers to that number that you're going to use modulo size as well. And so 14 modulo 10 is 4. So 4 will go here. And this is going to be 0 here. And then modulo size is 4. But as we can see, there's a collision here, right? So with linear probing, we can't just put in 14 here. We have to keep using the function until we find an empty spot. And so now it'll be hash 4 plus 1, because we're going to be incrementing 1, modulo size, which is now 5 modulo 10, which is 5. So that's why this is the answer.